Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip is for sensory seekers and what you can do to provide sensory feedback for a child. Now, there are some kids that absolutely love tactile stimulation and very deep pressure into the finger region. So a very fun and independent way for a child to get some of that feedback is to actually use a finger trap. Finger traps are neat because you just put your fingers inside, and when you do, you pull them apart, and this gives the child an automatic squeeze to the fingers. They're very inexpensive. I'll put a direct link on otkidsmass.com, but some kids like to just hold these and do some pulling with them. They're quiet and they're portable. So this might be a great item for your sensory toolkit. If you have not seen the Sensory Toolbox series, please take a look at that so you can get more ideas for a portable sensory toolkit.